Imagine your boss asks you to highlight employee attendance and calculate total working days. Sounds complicated? Don't worry. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn everything step by step. So make sure to watch till the end. Step 1. Highlight present days. First, select all the attendance cells. Now go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting. Then choose New Rule. From here, select Format only cells that contain. Now set the condition to equal to and type P. Click Format. Go to the Fill tab and choose green color. Click OK and OK again. Boom! All the present cells are now highlighted in green. Try changing any value to P. See that? It updates automatically. Step 2. Highlight absent days. Follow the same steps again. Go to Conditional Formatting, Arrow, New Rule. Select Format only cells that contain. Set it to equal to A. Click Format, Arrow, Fill, Arrow, red color. Click OK and OK again. Done. Now all absent A cells are highlighted in red. Step 3. Count working days. Now let's calculate how many days employees worked. In your result cell, type equals count if, open parenthesis, range, comma, single quote, P, single quote, close parenthesis. Press Enter. This will count only present days. Drag it down and apply to all employees. If you mark leave, L, or holiday, H, it's not counted. Let's fix that. Now type this formula. Equals sum, open parenthesis, count, if, open parenthesis, range, comma, then type P, H, L. Close the brackets. Press Enter. Boom! Now it counts present, leave, and holiday all together. Try changing values. You'll see the result updates instantly. And that's how you can manage employee attendance like a pro in Excel. Simple, fast, and super powerful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Let's Learn for more smart Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.